So it's March 28th, 2012, and that goddamn pole is making its noise again. On electric. What is wrong with you to let this shit keep me up all night?